Namaste. Subject Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya Entrance Exam Section 2 Mathematics. 250 self-study problems on mathematics. Problem number 44. 7.4 equal to 7 2 divided by box. The numeral to be in the box is option A 7, option B 5, option C 10, option D 3. So which number substitute in the box? Put in the box. Which number we want to substitute in the box ಅಂತ find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay. So ಯಾವ number 7.4 ಅಂತ ಬಂದಿದೆ. So 7 2 by 7 ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ನೋಡೋಣ. 7 7s 49. 49 plus 2 is 51. 51 by 7. 51 divided by 7 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ so 7 5s 35, 7 6 42, 7 7s 49, 49 then ಎಷ್ಟು ಇಲ್ಲಿ 49 2 okay 0 7 4 ಬರೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ 7 4s of 28 ಅಂತ ಬರಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲಿ ಬಟ್ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಸೊ 7 ಹಾಕೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ಓಕೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 7 2 ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 5 ಹಾಕಿ ನೋಡೋಣ 7 5s 35 35 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2 ಇಸ್ 37 ಹಂಗಿದು 7 5s 35 ಅಲ್ವಾ 35 36 37 37 divided by 5 okay so then 5 37 5 6 5 7s 35 5 7s 35 2 7 4s 20 so 7.4 ಆಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ so substitute here 5 ನ substitute ಮಾಡಬೇಕು so answer for this problem 7 2 divided by 5 equal to 7 5s 35 35 plus 2 is 37 divided by 5 so that is equal to 5 37 5 7s 35 subtract it 2 will get then decimal point put it 0 here 7 4s 20 subtract it 0 so 7.4 is the answer so option B is the correct answer okay option B is the correct answer thank you so much